Ladies and gentlemen, it's a brand new day and an influencer has uploaded a brand new course, which we truly love. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing Iman Gadzhi's brand new course, which is only $99 per month, and it even has a dropshipping course inside it. We are talking about the digital launchpad, which just got released a week ago from Iman Gadzhi, and I actually got my hands inside the digital launchpad. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the programs, but most importantly focusing on the winning store, which is uploaded by Jordan Welch inside the digital launchpad. So if you guys truly want to know if this course is really worth it or not, and if you guys should go for it or not, then make sure you watch this video until the end. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ihsan. I'm a 20-year-old entrepreneur based here in Dubai. And the reason why I want to do that is because I've had the privilege to have over 1,300 students inside my own dropshipping program, which is called the Hustlers Ecom. And since I've had the experience of dropshipping e-commerce for the past 3 to 4 years, I'm going to be giving away my honest review about Jordan Welch's brand new course. So without further ado, let's jump into my screen and let's have a look. Okay guys, so now we have the courses right in front of us: the digital launchpad, the winning store, pen to profit, the 6-figure sale rip. Now I'm going to be starting with the winning store because that's what's most interesting, and I'm pretty sure most of you guys clicked for that. But if you guys want me to review each one of them one by one, make sure you guys comment it down below and I'll make sure to put a review on it. Now the first thing I'm going to be doing is going inside the winning store, reviewing the videos and giving you guys my honest opinion. One thing that I truly love about the winning store is actually the intro of the video. It actually gives you so much motivation and actually makes you feel like you have to work hard as well. For example, I'm gonna jump into the first ever video and you guys will see the intro is gonna blow your mind. Sorry, this is not the video. We're gonna look into the second video, let's just say product research. Look at the video, boys. Wow. The production quality is insane. Now I'm hoping with the quality of the content it's exactly the same. So you know what? I'm gonna be taking my time going inside the different parts of this program and getting back right at you guys. Okay guys, I just got done quickly reviewing the videos and the program, and honestly I'm gonna rate it at the end of the video. But first I want to talk about each part of the video in detail so you guys can get an idea too. Now, as I told you guys at the start of every video topic is actually so beautiful and so interesting. The way that they designed it, the way that they made it so motivational can actually change you and your mindset so much. Now talking about the videos itself, the videos are pretty good, but I feel like it could have been way more lengthy. For example, the product research method is only a few different methods. There isn't any genuine method that you could potentially take and find winning products. For example, in our program we have a method that almost guarantees your success, in a way that this method has worked for us and our students almost every single time that they've used it. Now that's just the first part of the video, which is the product research, of course. The second thing, which is actually the website creation. Now I'm gonna be honest guys, the creation of the store was actually very simple and straight to the point, but the designing was a 2019 dropshipping store, if I'm being genuine with you guys. From the logo to the way the store was designed, it wasn't something that you would be really surprised as a customer to go ahead and make a purchase out of this store. Now this store could potentially work out, why not? But if I was Jordan Welch and if I had the amount of people that I knew would come to my course, I would potentially create my own theme and give it away to my students completely for free. Now that's something that I would potentially do. I don't know about anyone else, but that's just my view. The other thing I want to talk about is that when you guys create your product page, make sure you have the most amount of details for the product and try your best to start with 2 product store. The reason why you want to do 2 is because if one product fails, you can change the whole store into the second product. And this is a tactic that we use, that if we find a winning product within one of those 2 products, we completely turn the store into the one product store. So now we have a complete branded one product store instead of 2, 3, 4, 5 different products, which could make us compete with Amazon, which we do not want, because Amazon is the king of e-commerce. It's like competing with Bitcoin and having another crypto. You cannot just compete with the big guys. So in order to overtake them, you gotta have a branded store that actually looks like a 10 out of 10. Then we have the TikTok ads shrimp, which means the TikTok ads strategies that Jordan Welch actually uses. And I'm gonna be very honest, I would rate this a 7 out of 10, and that's genuinely coming from me. The reason is the scaling method is actually missing. Now there is a scaling method, but the scaling methods go so much more in depth and it could be so much more lengthy than just one single video. Now again, my opinion, if you guys want to go, of course, check it out by yourself. See if you truly can take advantage of that one strategy. You guys can go ahead and do that. But in my opinion, I would probably play it out much more longer than just uploading the course and having the store out. What I would do is I would have the store running for at least a month, get at least 5 figures, and then think about, doing the horizontal, vertical, and self scaling with much more in detail method. Last but not least, guys, if you guys are curious how you actually fulfill your orders and how Jordan Welch did it, it's actually through Zendrop. Now, I'm not sponsored or anything. The new program that I'm actually creating right now is actually sponsored by Minia and Zendrop. The new program is set to have around 7,500 students that we are actually potentially gonna have, inshallah, before the end of the year. And if I was gonna be honest, guys, you can use different methods of fulfillment, but of course Zendrop and Minia, these two programs are actually on top. They're actually conquering a lot of these influencers, and there's a reason why Jordan Welch is actually using Zendrop. But apart from that, if I were to rate this course 1 to 10, from product research, I'll probably rate it like a 6 out of 10. Store creation, I would probably rate it the same as I told you guys, 7 out of 10. For TikTok ads, I would probably rate it the same, 6 to 7 out of 10. And at the end, of course, the whole concept of the course, from fulfillment to everything else, it would be a 6.5 to 7 out of 10. Now that's my genuine rating for this course, and the reason why I'm being so honest with you guys, because I've had the privilege, as I told you guys, to mentor over 1,300 students inside our Discord, which the link is in the description. And I've had the privilege to actually mentor all of these students and actually get them to the position where they're making thousands on the daily basis. Now it's not easy, of course, it takes a lot of time and it takes a lot of effort, but for us to do this and get them to that point, it was one of the biggest success key points of my life. Now all I want to tell you guys is that you guys could easily go and rely on this program and actually get started. But if you want to start something that's actually genuinely going to help you with a lot of more data, then I have nothing better than our new mentorship that's coming out in the month of March. So if you guys want to get the latest updates, and the best part, it's actually half of the price of what they're offering, but 2 times the knowledge and the effort that we actually put with you. So if you guys want to get your hands on that, the email newsletter is in the description. Just sign up for the email newsletter and our team is going to contact you and be in touch with you. But thank you guys so much for watching. All love to Iman Gadzhi and Jordan Welch for creating something that could potentially change lives. This is not easy. Making a course is not easy. It actually takes dedication, time. But again, amazing quality production. The production would be a 10 out of 10. I'm not gonna lie, the quality is a 10 out of 10. But I just wish the value was much more than this and it wasn't rushed to this point. Now, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the review, and I'll see you guys in the next video.